Welcome to Boomhauer69's channel, and today Boomhauer is going to be reviewing the Lycan Trail Mesh Chair. Welcome to Boomhauer69's channel, and today Boomhauer is going to do another product review video here for y'all. This time I have the Lycan Trail Big Boy Mesh Chair. Chair right here is one of those camping folding chairs. Here's what it looks like in the bag, and here's what the stitching looks like on the handle of the bag. Now the bag is made out of that typical mesh chair bag quality. It's nothing much to be desired. It's just your typical basic like they all make these folding chairs in. But I do like the little tensioner little thing here, the little plastic tensioner. That seems to be looks pretty durable and seems to be made out of some pretty good plastic. Now I've had this chair for about 2-3 seasons now, and it's been a really good chair, I'd say, and stuff. But here's what the logo looks like with all the information on it. Now I'm about around 200 pounds, and this is maximum weight capacity is rated 350 pounds, and I say that's pretty accurate. And this is, it folds up and opens up just like any typical basic folding mesh chair does. It's real easy to take out of the packaging. In here. Grab that because it's kind of a windy day, so the wind's blowing everything all. But there's what it looks like, only extended out. It's real nice and everything. It says here it's durable powder coated steel frame covenant for extra large and standard drink holders. So it comes with 2 drink holders, a small one and a large one. A phone holder, an angled phone holder armrest, breathable mesh back seat panel, side organized panel, and a side organized panel for storage needs. Includes bag with shoulder strap, which is right here. I showed you a close-up of. But here's what the chair looks like. But I like how it's got this nice mesh screen. That's perfect for if it gets wet, it'll dry out quicker. That's what I like. Here's the back side of the chair, what the back side looks like. Here's a close-up of the hot rivets and the kind of the frame of the chair and stuff. Oh, yeah. Right here on the side is the little storage bag, mesh bag they was talking about for your storage needs. If you want to store like your maybe like a phone or something or tablet. But it's also got a big mesh holder for like your tablet or snacks or whatever. I think I fit my Samsung 7-inch tablet in there, and it's worked just fine and stuff. There's the smaller cup holder and cell phone holder they was talking about for your cell phone. There's the larger cup holder. A close-up of that, the big cup holder, but it's rated for about maximum weight capacity 350 pounds. Last time I weighed myself, I was about 200 pounds, and so yeah, it holds me up really good. One thing I recommend doing with these chairs to help prolong the life of them is don't get in and out of them real fast and really plop your heavy weight into them. You know, what I always try to do is try to be nice and kind of lightly get up and lightly sit down, so it doesn't put a whole lot of stress on the hardware and stuff, because the hardware, you can tell it's just your typical plastic kind of cheapness. But I've had another one of these chairs before, and it held it up for a long time. That's why I got another one, because I really like them. So far I had this for about 2 or 3 seasons now, and it's been a really good chair and seems to hold up. The only thing I noticed is for any wear on the chair is right here. is a little bit of like kind of dark dirt spot for wear and tear, but all in all, it's been a really good chair. It's holding me up and stuff. I've had pretty good luck with some Lake and Trail brand stuff. It says here established since 1983, so they've been in business since 1983, and all in all, I say it's Lake and Trail stuff is a really good brand. I bought this at my at a local department store in my area called Meijer, M-E-I-J-E-R, Meijer, in my area. Yeah, that's where I got this chair, and I think I paid around $49.99 or $29.99, somewhere around that, or $39.99, somewhere around that ballpark range, and stuff. And so far, it's holding me up. I've been pretty satisfied with how this chair's been holding up and stuff. And if I had to give it a rating, I would give it 5 stars and 2 thumbs up. It's holding me up pretty good. I seem to get quite a few seasons out of these chairs. The other Lake and Trail one, I think I got about 3 or 4 seasons out of it until it finally just gave up the ship and the fabric started ripping and tearing and stuff, you know. These chairs, obviously, they eventually do break down like chairs. They don't last. I'd say this chair ain't gonna last 20-30 years, you know. I say you get maybe about 4 or 5 years out of it, and then it will finally be time to replace it with another one. Now, one thing it does warn on the cup holders is do not put any hot beverages in this. This is only for cold beverage, these cup holders, because if you try to put a hot beverage in it, it's going to melt and burn the fabric, so keep that in mind. But all in all, this chair, I've been really satisfied with it, and had good luck with their Lake and Trail stuff. I've even did videos about their tents they used to have. I don't know if they still make those, but I'll put links in the description if you want to see those videos about the little 2-person dome tents from Lake and Trail that I did videos about before. But putting it back in the bag, it fits right back in the bag real easy. I'll show that. Well, there you have it. Goes back in the bag real easy, real simple. Bow and stuff, and fits perfect in there, no complaints. I do like on the bag how they put this kind of mesh decorative piece around it. I like that because that will help if you're got the bag wet and you're trying to dry it out. That, to me, that will make it easier to dry out the storage bag. But all in all, on these Lake and Trail chairs, again, I had one before that lasted a long time and finally gave out, and I was satisfied with that one, and decided to get another one of their chairs, and again, I'll be satisfied with this one. I give it 5 stars, 2 thumbs up. Been satisfied with them, and so far everything I tried from Lake and Trail brand camping stuff, they're a company that makes a lot of different type of camping stuff, then I've been satisfied with them and stuff. And I've even had the hot dog pokers, I call them, those little long sticks that you stick your hot dog on to cook on a campfire, and been really satisfied with those as well and stuff. But all in all, I have no complaints about this. I think it's a good product if you're somebody looking around for a folding camping chair and you stumble upon this video. I would highly recommend checking out on Amazon or go to Walmart if Walmart sells them. I don't know if Amazon sells them or Walmart, but if you know a store that or anywhere that sells Lake and Trail brand stuff, I highly suggest checking them out and stuff. And their chairs seem to hold up for quite some time. I say as of right now, I definitely got my money's worth out of this chair, so if it broke on me or today or tomorrow or something, I'd say I got my money's worth, because I've had it for quite a while now, and it seems to be still in good condition. So yeah, but on these chairs, if you take real good care of them, you don't be rough on them, you can get a lot of season out of these chairs, you know, if you sit in them kind of slowly, easy. Don't just hurry up and plop down on them or really get up real fast and stuff, you know. Go easy on them, they'll last a long time. If you like this sort of video and stuff, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you ain't already subscribed to the channel, because that's going to help me, Boomhauer69, and continuing to make more of these sort of videos. Don't forget to comment your thoughts below and stuff. I love reading the comments I get on my videos and stuff. And hope you all have a good day, and thank you for watching. Boomhauer69.